Imagine you're starting a new business. You've got the idea, the passion, and maybe even a few customers. But what about the financial aspect? How do you get paid from clients around the world? That's where platforms like Airwallex come in. So, the big question is, how long does it actually take to open an Airwallex account? Let's dive in. Before we get to the specifics, let's understand a bit about Airwallex. It's a global financial infrastructure platform that helps businesses move, manage, and spend money across borders. Essentially, it's like a digital bank for businesses. Now, the time it takes to open an Airwallex account can vary depending on a few factors, including your location, the type of account you're applying for, and the amount of information you provide. The application process. The application process itself is generally straightforward. You will typically need to provide some basic information about your business, such as its name, address, and nature of operations. You might also need to verify your identity and provide proof of business registration. Once you've submitted your application, Airwallex will review it. This review process can take a few days or even a week, depending on the volume of applications they're handling. Factors affecting processing time. Several factors can influence how quickly your application is processed. These include your location. If you're located in a country where Airwallex has a strong presence, the review process might be faster. Account type. The type of account you're applying for can also affect the processing time. For example, a basic business account might be processed more quickly than a more complex account with additional features. Information provided. The completeness and accuracy of the information you provide in your application can also impact the processing time. The more information you can provide up front, the faster Airwallex can review your application. Additional considerations. In addition to the application process, there are a few other factors to consider when opening an Airwallex account. These include verification. Once your application is approved, you may need to verify your identity and business information. This can involve providing additional documents or completing a video call. Funding. Once your account is fully set up, you'll need to fund it. This can usually be done by transferring funds from your existing bank account. So, to answer the question, how long does it take to open an Airwallex account? The answer is, it depends. While the process is generally straightforward, factors like your location, account type, and the information you provide can influence the processing time. However, in most cases, you can expect to have your Airwallex account up and running within a week or two. Once your account is active, you can start using Airwallex's services to manage your business finances and expand your operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.